So you are saying again and again that avoid skill badges into arcade games. What is the reason behind it? Can you clarify? And when we should start doing skill badges and how to get the credits? So before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel, like the video. Coming to the topic directly, if you see, this is our arcade homepage where all the games are hosted. And first of all, you need to know about arcade program. It is a 6 month long program. Means you'll be learning and earning points throughout the 6 month. That is from Jan to June. Now coming, why we are saying that avoid skill badges as of now, okay, and complete arcade games only. Because if you see any of these games, for example, let me open this particular game. Okay. So if you open any of the game present in the arcade homepage, you can see that when you click on any of the lab, for example, I'm opening Gmail getting started. You can see here it's showing no cost, means you do not require any credits. So what are credits? If you want to know, I have already posted a video regarding it, like how you can just know about the credit. In this video I have covered. In simple words, let me repeat it again. Credits are just tokens which help you to complete the lab. For example, credits are generally used for completing skill patches. For example, here you can see Gmail getting started requires no cost in the arcade games, whatever games you are having. For example, if I open even level 3 games also, you can see it's showing no cost credits over there. Okay, here all the labs are having no cost credits. Like if I am opening this lab, for example, you can see again no cost. But if I open any skill badges, how to find the skill badges? You have to come over here, just click on catalog. Okay, let me update the language first of all. So here I'm opening the skill badge. Okay, here if I open any of the lab, for example, let me open this challenge lab. Here you'll see one interesting thing that here it's showing 5 credits. See, for starting any lab in the arcade games, you don't require any credits. For example, if you just click on start lab, the lab will automatically get started, right? The lab will be automatically started without any credits or any skill badge which is having no cost over there. The lab will be started. But in case of any skill badges, okay, in case of any skill badges or the labs which require credits, you have to pay credits. Now, how will be getting the credits? Okay, I'll be getting the credits for that special program as we have said earlier, Arcade Facilitator program, which will be coming in April and May will be coming. Okay, it will be coming on April and May. Whenever it will be coming, I'll make a dedicated video for it. As of now, you have to wait for it. So here, if you just click on Start Lab, here it will ask for tokens or lab credits. Okay, here I already have a credits. That's why it's showing credits available. In other case, you have to click on Buy Credits. Okay, so you don't have to buy credits over here. You have to wait for the facilitator program to start. That will help you to earn more points. Now you can earn by many points, means you can earn the arcade points by any means. For example, here are multiple options. If you just see over here, like most of you have already completed the arcade games and you are waiting. So here you can see by completing every 2 skill badge, we get 1 arcade point. So you are thinking that should we do skill badges in our free time? We are worried. So I will suggest wait for the Arcade Facilitator program to start and complete the skill badges so that you'll be able to get credits also and some bonus points also. If you don't know about the facilitator program, I have already covered everything in detail yesterday only. You can watch this video. I have linked it in the description too. Okay, so here you can see the lab has started without any credits. But if you start this kind of labs which require credits, so it will ask for credits, means tokens. It's kind of coin for starting anything. So in simple words, if you want to understand, do not complete skill badges, wait for the Arcade Facilitator program to start. This is for Indian participants only. And if you are from different country watching it, you can start doing skill badges because multiple countries are there having their own facilitator program. So you can start doing skill badges. For all criterias, I have already made a playlist for helping you understand each and everything. You can simply come over here, or I'll link the playlist link also in the description. You can see all the queries. For example, how to claim the credits, how many points you can really earn in entire month, and why you should avoid doing skill badges now. Okay, all the things like what's next section, every basic thing I have already covered. You can watch it. Also, the participation video is also there. So if you still have any doubts, to let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.